Hi, do you want to take your drawings to the next level? So watch this video till the end to know how to do it. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Unleashing Art with Arjun. And today we are going to share some basic shapes to know how to get to the next level and draw more complex stuff. I know it's quite boring, but to get to that level and enjoy doing the interesting stuff, you have to do it. And watch this video till the end because I am going to give details about a specific giveaway anywhere in this video. So stay excited and watch the video till the end. In shading, we have three basic light aspects. The first one is the darkest shadow, where the main shadow is formed, and then the second portion is the mid portion, where light is quite soft, and third is the sharp light. So these portions have to be kept in mind first, and then there are many more layers which we will be learning in upcoming videos. First of all, you have to get the proper shape and then begin with a basic lay down of the pencil, then move slowly towards details. It's quite easy, just you have to practice, nothing else. So it's time for the giveaway now. So today is 21st of April, and by the end of this month, that is 30th of April, if you help me to reach 100 subscribers, that's very less that I'm asking of you, because we need almost just 10 more subscribers to reach there, because I know you are the best guys out there and you can do anything if you want. So help me reach that, and we will be doing something amazing. I will be choosing a lucky subscriber from you guys who has commented best comments about the insights and has given best feedbacks on my videos, and I will choose one of you and gift amazing art supply or something else. So that's secret for now.